E aí pessoal, no meu primeiro mês monetizado, eu já fiz alguns dólares só seguindo o que esse cara fala no curso dele. Então se você quer ganhar dinheiro com a internet no YouTube sem nem precisar aparecer, confere o primeiro link na descrição.
Hey guys, welcome back with another brand and exciting strategy that I will share you in this video right here, so which will be a free USA traffic by posting unlimited ads into that and make $1,000 plus with this specific method that I'm going to share with you in this video. So the video that I'm going to share with you, or the method that I'm going to reveal in this video, is really fascinating and really powerful, and I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can maximize the result from that. Actually, we are using a traffic source with 90% plus traffic from the United States, which are an excellent traffic, and 6% is from the Canada, and the rest of that is 1% Russia, then Egypt. So if we just calculate all these three different locations, which is an awesome location, which is coming almost like a 98% traffic from this top one country actually that we will have in this video, and we can basically use a specific product with that to promote, and the backside we can earn a huge amount of money from that. So let's not waste the time and start promoting this product right away here and show you the exact method that how you can build this system and how you can do each and everything from your home, from your internet connection, laptop or PC, without any hesitation and without any investment. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a bonus step that how you can maximize the result and how you can double your revenue for on this video right here. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end, to not do any single part of the strategy, and as well as that, hit the like button as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So the first and important thing is that we need to sign up with the ClickBank account right here. If you don't have account, then you can simply just click on the sign up button right away here, and then you can simply add your, for example, your email address, full name, password, email address, and all those credential. Once you add it into that, then you can simply sign up onto this website for absolutely free. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account right here by just clicking the login button right away here. So once you log into your account, the interface will look something like this, which you can simply go to the marketplace right away here, and then you can simply see here all the different products available on the ClickBank marketplace right here, and you can simply start promoting like Exifur, Java Button, and for example like Dentutalks and Okinawa Plat Tunek, numerologist.com. If you scroll down, you will see the smoothie diet product right here, which is basically a weight loss product, and we are going to promote this, the smoothie diet promotion, in this video, that how we can just promote and how we can get the backside a great sale and a great revenue from that for absolutely free, for absolutely from the US traffic right here. If we just move to the specific this sales page right here, the smoothie diet, and as well as here the affiliate tools area here. So once you click, this will be the sales page right here that we redirect people, so they will just watch this video and then they will see this amazing get 10% off sticker right here that people can just see here, and that is a brilliant for example what you called as call to action button. You are calling, for example, a catchy title or something like that that you have never seen, for example. And most of the offers, when they are getting or having these types of, for example, 10% off, for example, or $10 off or something like that, so that is more convertible than any other direct prices product right here. Okay, so we will basically just promote the smoothie diet in this specific strategy right here. And here we can see here that there are a lot of details and information on this page right here. If someone just redirect to this page right here, so they will never regret and they will never just go back from this sale page. So of course and 100% they will take action on that, because it is really written each and everything step by step right here. So the first and important thing is that we need to just see the sales page, which is really convertible, and we can also go to the affiliate tools area right here, that we can also have a lot of things right here in affiliate tools area, and they are also giving us, for example, each and everything, for example, the information about the rebilling recurring commission, actually, that how much money exactly we can just make from this specific strategy right here. And if you scroll down here, we will have a different links, for example, the free sales page 1, 2, 3, for example, and difference. If you are interested with that, you can simply use the different sales page right away here. If you do not, then you can use, they have the video right here that we can simply promote, and here we can simply see here the free sales emails and as well as product image. So if you need these email swap, you can simply just click on the download button, and that will be downloaded to your PC, and here you will have the images. You can also click here to download, and that will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, it will be in a zip file. Then you can simply just move into or unzip from here. So once we are done with that, then we will have the next step to the free traffic source that I was promising you, that 98% is coming from these top 3 countries right here, that we do want to promote our product in front of them right away here. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for more brilliant and similar videos like this that we are uploading to our channel right here. And you can simply get benefit from that. So let's further just jump into the main strategy, that how it is working. So the website that we are talking about is here is, for example, by the name of O back page. So according to the back page, we have similar website and pre-classified website like back page front, back page back page, for example, uh, O, for example, new back page, for example. So we have a lot of back page, but this is the real and original one, which is O back page, and they have a tons of, for example, traffic, and most of the traffic is coming from the United States, and as well as here United States and Russia, actually, which are the best. And the greatest things is right here, that you can simply want it is worldwide, and if you want to just post it in any country or any specific location, you can simply target right here. For example, like African countries are here, that you can simply target. For example, right here, Australian countries you have, for example, right here, to just target right here. European countries you have, for example, you can simply target. Canada and Australia, you have to target right here. But the first thing, important thing is that you need to just click on the sign up button right here, and then you can simply sign up through your Gmail accounts right here. Once you click on that, the next step will be that you can simply just click here, and you will be signing off with that. Once you sign up, then you can have the account something like this, that you will have your account information right away here. The next step will be that you can simply just click on the post ads right here, post and these different locations right over here. So basically you can simply click on the post ads. So once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here, that you will have 3 different options like post free ad, post local ad, post and multiple cities right here. So basically we can simply click on post free ads, because we don't want to spend the money on that. We need absolutely a free method and strategy to promote our products into that. Once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here, that you can simply choose a section or category right here. So you have a lot of categories like automotive, buying, sales, community, dating, jobs, for example, services, rentals, real estate, musician, local places, and others. So basically, since we are promoting the weight loss product, we can simply select the services right here, and we can simply click on the services right here. Once we click on the service, then we will have another section which will be the subcategory, something like that, that we can simply choose for that, and that will be the health and beauty. products right here. Once you just click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here that you can simply add the title right away here. Then you can simply add the description, then add age, location, and contact emails right here. Okay, you can also use the contact emails, and then you can also use the contact mobile number right here. You can add the image, and Dallas city will be almost selected for you that you have started at the beginning. And then you can simply click on the buy place ads in agree term condition, then click I'm not a robot and continue. So I can simply add it quickly here and show you that how you can do that. As you can see here, I simply just added the title right over here, the description right here, as you can see here. And here at the bottom, I just click the link below, added a call to action button right here, and I added my affiliate link right here. And then I just tell people that remove spaces to access the link. If you just posted the link directly, so they will be forbidden your link and you need to pay the money for that. Since even though they just have the option to just embed your link right here, but if you just post it, so it will not be allowed right here on this website right here. So how I did it, I just simply show you that how I did it. I simply just go to the sales page right away here. I just move to the sales page, and then sorry, affiliate tools area right here, and I just open the free sale emails. I download it right here, and I simply just see here. Let me show you here. This is a Word file, actually Google Docs, something like that. I use the title this one, and I just copy this text. This is the email swipe. I just copy from here right here, and I just go back right here and paste it right here on this website. At the bottom, I just give a call to action button, means I just copy the link, affiliate link from the ClickBank, and I use a link tree, but still you can use bit.ly or TinyURL. The most important thing is right here that you need to give a space right here and remove HTTPS, something like that at the beginning of the link. You need to remove that, and then you can simply give a call to action like remove the spaces to access the link right here. So once you do that, then you can simply add the age. Any age you can simply add it. It is not really a big problem. Then you can add the United States location or something like that. You can add your email address, and then you can simply add the image. The image I also grab from the main sales page or affiliate tools area right here, and then I click on the buy place this ad agree term and condition. Once you are done with each and everything, then you can simply click I'm not a robot at the bottom right here. Once you are clicking in that, then you can simply click on the continue button, and the placing ads will be just continue, and your ads will be posted on this website. As you can see here, this is a review part that you can simply see here, that this is the title, here is the description, here is the image that we have used right here. As you can see here, it's really amazing and exciting. For example, description right here, I just copy and paste right here. As you can see here, this is the link right here that we have used, and here is a call to action button. I use the location, type, age, and the subcategory and main categories right here. And then once you are done with that, then you can simply click I'm not a robot. And then once you are done, then you can simply click on the place ads now right here. Once you click on the placed ad right here, it will be just this page, your ad posted successfully right here. If you want to see your post, then you can simply go to your account and you can simply see your ad, that how it looks. But we have already seen in our review. So our ads, the more ads you posted on this website and this free USA traffic, the more money and the more revenue you will get for absolutely free right here. It is absolutely a copy and paste method that you can have it for absolutely free with 98% of one countries. Actually, that is really convertible. If you want to make more money online from the ClickBank to promote the ClickBank products right here, I will just drop you this link in the description of this video, which will be the fifth link in the description of this video. You can simply click on that and you will be redirected to this page right here, which is all about the ClickBank profit site, that how people can make money with the ClickBank for absolutely the right and exact way right here. So you can simply find it out all the testimonial examples, bonuses, tips and tricks, all the ClickBank strategies will be just mentioned in this software and this offer right here. So if you are interested with that, then you can simply take action on that and you will be good to go with that. So there are money businesses and money opportunities right here that you can simply use and promote the ClickBank product with this software. So if you like it, please hit the like button, comment. If you have any question or concern, I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload a video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.